What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah, so today's video is going to be about Halloween makeup look. I was trying to do the Jordan Woods Egyptian makeup look, but I am not an artist, so I'm pretty sure I can't do the whole the whole like I don't know, the whole shenanigans that she got there. I'm going to do the Golden Goddess makeup look instead. I'm gonna say thank you now for everyone that is gonna watch the whole video and not skip the video, right? So yeah, I'm gonna say thank you now for watching the video, and yeah, so let us start.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. What the hell am I doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. the floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure.
Hey, what's up guys, I am back with the finished look. Since I am a golden goddess for Halloween, so that's what I did. So I put a lot of gold everywhere. I went ahead and put this for the chain. I don't know how I did, guys, but you know, I'm still in practice with makeup and stuff, because practice makes perfect. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah.
Doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do.
So guys, this was pretty much it of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you guys did like the video, please do not forget to click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like the makeup look that I did. I hope you guys, I don't know, can follow the makeup that I did for next Halloween, I guess, which is next year. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like the video. Bye.